Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank all the illustrious members of the media. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here, and all our special guests. This is truly a spectacular evening. It truly is what you call a memorable day in the history of cinema. Something like this is really something like what filmmakers and I always, and all of us from the fraternity, dream of. It's possibly the most magnificent cinema experience that you will ever experience. Truly the coming together of leading lights from the movies, legends, all of them. I'd never imagined that I would be on a platform with Shankar sir and Rajni sir and Akshay Kumar, A.R. Rahman, these great leading lights, along with a huge team of brilliant technicians. What we're about to witness is truly historic. Not only because 2.0 is the most expensive film ever made in Asia, but because of the technology, the storytelling, the narrative, and all the brilliance that has been put into this magnificent piece of celluloid. Ladies and gentlemen, just before anything else, I think this team requires a huge round of applause from all of you. Now we will go to 2.0 version to Akshay Kumar. Akshay, it's amazing that, you know, that there's this collaboration. You know, when it was announced, there was such tremendous energy. And for you to walk into a comfortable zone, as in their comfort zone, how did that feel? When you walked into this, there with these leading lights, literally all of them who have done such exceptional work together with each other and apart from you.
Well, I'll tell you something. I have, to be honest, I never do makeup.
Yeah.
I have never done makeup in my life. It's been 25 years. I never put any kind of makeup. But this movie, I have done all the makeup of these 25 years into this. And I swear to God, 3 hours I had to sit on a chair. I don't know how many films I've watched on television just while they are doing some makeup on me. And it used to take 1 hour to remove this makeup. So my patience level has increased. Like, I'm already a very patient guy, but with this, I have increased my patience level a lot. And trust me, I'm very thankful to Shankar sir, to Rajni sir, to Subhashji, to allow me to be a part of this film. And I was very shocked when they chose me to enact in front of Rajni sir, whose fan we all have been. So it has been a great honor.
Truly is. I mean, I have to say, just sharing the same platform with Rajni sir is such a huge honor for a filmmaker and a fan like me. Sir, I truly am blessed to be on the same platform as you. And I know that you would like to say just a few words, but if you had to sum up your experience of working with this wonderful team and that really are, I'm sure, as humble to work with you, what is the feeling, sir, when you see yourself in this great vision, when you see it on screen like this?
To be frank with you, to work with Shankar is difficult.
Yeah.
And he is a perfectionist. That's why he's still, from the last 25 years, he's in the industry. Almost 3-4 the biggest directors in the country, including you. He's also one of them. This picture actually, because since I worked already with him, but this picture is a 3D. It is very different experience when I see myself on a screen. But I'm telling you the truth. In this 2.0, the hero is not Rajnikant. Akshay Kumar is the hero.
Whoa.
I have not given choice. If they had given the choice, I would have selected that character. But hats off to Akshay Kumar. He worked so hard, and you can see that on the screen.
Sir, I had no choice, sir. I had no choice.
But a brilliant character, brilliant role. I'm really telling you, the whole country will applaud Akshay after the release of the picture.
Thank you, sir. Your graciousness and your humility is something that the world respects you for. Thank you for just being. That's all I have to say. Thank you for just being who you are and the way you are. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest with us for our prestigious launch. Could I please With all gratitude, invite on stage none other than Salman Khan.
Salman Khan for coming all the way from Bandra and making this occasion so big. Thank you.
So, any questions for these wonderful gentlemen on stage?
Hi Shankar.
हाय अक्षय सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
हाँ जी, आप कहाँ हैं?
सर मैं मतलब कैमरे के पीछे हूँ तो दिख नहीं पाऊंगा आपको.
अच्छा पूछिए.
सर सवाल ये है कि रजनी सर को सभी सुपरस्टार मानते हैं और इस सुपरस्टार के साथ आपने काम किया है, तो आपने ऐसी क्या खूबियाँ देखी रजनी सर के भीतर एक सुपरस्टार की?
सर मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब सुपरस्टार नहीं हैं. मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब पूरे गैलेक्सी हैं. मैं इनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. और इफ एनीबडी हु इज गॉट इन दिस इंडस्ट्री स्वैग, and that has always been him. How to wear the glasses, चाहे वो सिगरेट हो, चाहे वो कोट पहनना हो, चाहे वो कोट उड़ाना हो, हर किस्म की चीज़ें, मतलब ऐसा कोई भी नौजवान नहीं है जो इनके तौर तरीके सीखना नहीं चाहता, बताना नहीं चाहता. और एक कमाल का मुझे किस्सा याद है. मुझे एक याद है कि इनकी एक फ़िल्म रिलीज़ हुई थी. फ़िल्म का नाम था बाबा, और वो फिल्म थोड़ी चली नहीं थी. और मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैंने पढ़ा था कि इन्होंने सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरों को बुला के उनके पैसे वापस किए. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट साइन of being a big, very big superstar. I can never forget that. I have kept always in my head. So, thank you.
रजनी सर कोई ईद पे आता है, कोई दिवाली पे आता है, कोई क्रिसमस पे आता है, लेकिन पिछले दिनों एक खबर आई थी कि आपकी फिल्म जब रिलीज होती है तो उस दिन त्योहार बन जाता है. इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैसे लेते हैं रजनी सर?
The day you come, sir, it becomes a festival on its own. It doesn't matter whether it's Eid or Diwali.
By God's grace, my fans, they make great. Thank you.
Shankar sir, over here straight. Next year there are many big films releasing, but two of the most awaited films are Robot 2 and Bahubali 2, and both belong to the South industry. So how does it feel that two films from that industry are taking India to the global level?
Yeah, I am eagerly waiting to see Bahubali 2. And for audience, they need more films, more than Bahubali 2, more than 2.0. Like every month, if they get this kind of film, it will be a celebration for the audience.
And so, the Bahubali was distributed in Hindi by Karan Johar. So who has come on board to distribute Robot, the Hindi version of Robot? Is it?
Yeah, that's we have to ask the producer, with whom he had.
I've reached this stage for a reason, that is stage 1. My 2.0 will be that if I manage to again present the film in Hindi. That is my 2.0 version.
Good evening, everybody. My question here is to Rajni sir. Sir, modlo solno trailer rombave super. Whenever you play a villainous role, we all love you because when you're good, you're very good, but when you're bad, you're better. Do you like playing Chitti too? Do you have fun doing that?
Actually, in this picture, I'm villain only. But always, actually, I would like to do villain characters. And in this picture, you will see that, the real villain. Thank you.
Sir, the action in this film looks spectacular. Did you have fun doing it? Was it difficult? How was the experience of doing it?
No, difficult hours, actually, I told you, he's a difficult director. But I enjoyed because this subject is very unique. And I want to tell you, I mean, this is not only a prestigious picture for Subhash Karan, producer, or Shankar, or the unit. It is a prestigious picture, the whole Indian cinema. Wow. And I'm telling you, despite of our technical excellence and the financial, strength, we could not reach the Hollywood standard yet. But I'm telling confidently, openly, this picture will reach that Hollywood level. Every Indian, our Indian film fraternity will be proud of. Thank you.
Rajni sir, your superstardom spans decades. Do you, from Indian film industry like Bollywood, who do you think will enjoy the superstardom that you have down in India, like everywhere in India, other than Akshay Kumar? Because I know you will take Akshay Kumar's name.
I couldn't understand. What are you saying?
Who else enjoys your level of stardom in Hindi
cinema?
Who
will enjoy?
Apart, who will enjoy?
At your age, maybe. At your age, who do you think will still enjoy?
At your age, who will enjoy? And he says, not Akshay Kumar, because he knows that you will say Akshay Kumar because he's sitting next to you. They said, I didn't.
No comments, thank you.
One more question, sir. Salman sir just said, narrated an incident about you and him. You've shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
You've done a movie with me, Shah Rukh.
Salman.
I would, even tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely. We're going to take one last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, yeah, straight.
Very far from straight, but anyway. I mean, the direction.
So there is a lot of excitement about the second installment of Robot. But people always plan the franchise. They always think of taking the franchise ahead. Do you plan to come up with a third installment of Robot?
Yeah, of course, because it's a very interesting science fiction genre. Definitely, I believe something will come up in my mind for the 3.0 and 4.0 and 5.0.
And it goes on and on. Thank you so much. Thank you. And those are all the questions we will take now, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank these wonderful gentlemen for their time, their energy, and more than anything else, their abundant talent that we're going to experience on Diwali with 2.0. This has truly been a spectacular evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us on this platform.